we're a noisy generation, but it might be something quiet we do that becomes our greatest legacy. Leave a gift in your will to the British Heart Foundation and fund groundbreaking research that could help save millions of lives. Search BHF Wills.
At Age UK, we understand that knowing the right question can be as difficult as finding the right answer. So we're here to help. Our website is full of free information and advice on everything from money and legal issues to health and care, whether it's for you or someone you know. You can also call our advice line every day of the year to talk to a friendly advisor.
My old teacher's Mr. Hitchcock. He was our English literature teacher and he used to take us on some crazy trips. He took us to Salisbury Plain once to look for a secret village called Imber. We never found it as we got rounded up by the army and escorted off.
Oh, right.
Sir?
Oh, it's the army.
Another trip we went caving and one of the boys had a panic attack. We had to be rescued